This is your last. Let's go.
I haven't done nothing. You guys have no legal right.
On June 4th, 2022, police were called to trespass a shoplifter. When they arrived, they confronted the suspect. Could have never expected her crazy meltdown.
Ma'am, it's the police department. I need to talk to you. Thank you. Just real quick, you're not in trouble. Ma'am, if you keep walking away, we're going to have to arrest you. Because I've already given... Listen to me for just a second. Listen. I'm going to explain it to you. I will arrest you. I will arrest you. I will arrest you.
I have to talk to you.
Well, you have to stop because you're under detention.
How?
Because I'm going to...
I was right here.
If you would let me explain it to you, I can explain it to you.
Well, then explain it.
The ladies across, the people across the street want to issue you a criminal trespass warrant.
How? Whenever I...
Listen, can I explain it to you?
No, you
Yes,
can't
I can.
because they're bullshit. Because I didn't even get to go buy food or anything.
You know, I understand that. I get it. I understand that. I
no,
understand.
this is bullshit. You don't understand.
Yes, I do.
No,
So
you don't.
they want to issue a criminal trespass warning.
How? Whenever
They're
I didn't
saying
even get
that
to walk inside and buy food.
that's the thing because they didn't want you to go inside. That's why they didn't
I
let
didn't
you.
even go inside, and I go to that store all the time, and this never happened.
And that's why they want us to issue a criminal trespass
I go to
warning.
the store all the time, and I buy it.
I get it. I get it.
I pay for my.
And I'm not saying that you steal anything. I'm not.
Where it's like,
I'm just telling you that's what they want to do, and so I have to do that.
no, you don't.
I have to. If somebody, since they called us and told me to come and issue you a criminal trespass warrant. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. Gunner? No, it's Corporal Ginker.
Ginker and.
Coelho. So this is what Coelho. So this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna go back to my patrol car. We're gonna issue a.
I don't have to go back to.
Listen to me for just a second.
Because I'm not gonna sign.
That's fine, but I still have to issue one. But you're still gonna go over there while we get your. You're gonna go to jail.
What?
Because you're starting to obstruct what I'm telling you to do. Because you're refusing to go back to my car. This is your last. Let's go. Go.
No.
Go. Grab the leash. Grab the leash of the dog.
Even my dog.
I don't care. You're about to go to jail. You are going to go to jail.
For what?
Go to my patrol car.
For what?
Think about it. Take the dog.
Stop. Like, for what? What am I going? This isn't even my dog. Like, I'll give you the dog.
Okay. Then let it go.
For what? Like, I don't even want to. Like, you're twisting it the wrong way, dude. Like, stop. Like, I'm not even resisting arrest or anything.
Because you're going in handcuffs.
No, I'm not. Like, all I said is that I wasn't gonna sign the paper. Like, you can't do this to me. I haven't done nothing.
You're gonna go down.
Stop! Help! Help! Dude, I haven't done nothing. I didn't even do nothing. There's not even trespassing or nothing on me, dude.
Now you're under arrest. Now you're under arrest. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Bend your legs and stand up. Stand up.
41 detained.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
I haven't done nothing, dude.
Stand up so we can walk.
I haven't done anything.
Keep that dog back now. Keep walking. Here, set her down for just a second. I don't want to keep dragging her around. You need to stand up and walk, okay? Stand up and walk.
I'm not going with you anywhere.
You are. You're going to jail.
I can even show you my ID. I was waiting for somebody to bring me some food out of the store.
You're under arrest. We're done.
How?
Because I told you multiple times to go to my car.
You didn't tell. You were ordering me. I didn't do anything.
One, two.
I didn't even do anything. I was waiting for him to bring me some food. The guy that they said that they couldn't have in the store. That's it, dude. Like, you guys are falsely arresting me, and I'm gonna f***ing sue.
Good.
Like, I haven't done nothing. No. I haven't done anything, dude. Like, I swear. I was waiting for him to bring me some fucking food from inside, and he didn't even bring me food.
You're going to jail. Get
I haven't even been in that store. F you. I haven't even been in there. I can even show you my ID. I haven't done nothing.
Well, you're going to jail.
No.
Yeah.
No. I haven't even been in the
ID
store.
here too.
I can even show you my ID. I haven't been in the store. I was
You're going. Get in the car.
I was waiting for him to bring me some food out of the store. I'm not going nowhere. I haven't done anything.
You're going to jail. So
I don't have warrants, nothing.
Well, now you're going to jail, so get in the car.
For what?
For obstruction.
For what obstruction? I was sitting there
That's
with
what I was
a
explaining to you over there.
dog.
Get in the car. You're getting tased.
No!
Get in the car.
You can't tase me
Yeah, I
because I'm
can.
pregnant.
Hey, we're not gonna do this.
So get in the car.
No!
There's no way around it, okay?
No!
Either
I
you.
want a real person to go to jail because I was just sitting there waiting for food.
Get in the car.
I haven't even been
Get in
the
the
fucking
car.
store.
Get in the car. We're done.
No!
Let's figure out what we're at.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
You kick me, you're going to get another charge. Get all the way up.
Stop! You have no right! I haven't even done anything. I'm waiting for food!
Get in.
Okay!
Get in. Get in. Now, what is your name?
I haven't done anything! I was waiting for food!
What is your name?
Estelle!
Estelle.
Estelle, you haven't
Okay.
done anything!
Alright, man. So what happened at the Family Dollar?
The lady, when I went to go walk inside, I don't know if she's confusing me with someone else,
Okay.
but she had said that she had me on camera stealing something, so I went allowed in the store,
Okay.
and I said, like, I just live right here. I said, I've never stolen anything from that room.
Okay.
And, so I just said, can I see the footage, you know? And she said, oh, no, we don't have to show it to you. I said, well, it's kind of messed up. You're calling me a thief.
Yeah.
In a public area.
They do have the right to refuse service. Okay, so she is wanting to issue a CTW. Let me type that out, and then I'll have you sign it. It's good for a year, so just make sure you don't go back there for a year. Okay, give me a sec.
You break anything in my car?
I haven't done anything! Let me go! I haven't done anything! Waiting for him to give me food!
Not doing what I told you to do.
In the store and she said if you're not No!
It's not here.
Okay. Yeah, that was him over there.
Yeah.
So, did you want to issue a CTW on her as well? On both
Yes,
of them? Okay.
yes.
So I need your signature here, please.
Yeah, every time we try to kick somebody out, they try to fight us. Like, really?
Yeah.
And he's like, well, you haven't served me yet. I said, well, stay here.
Yeah.
You can wait to be served if you want. Just
Yeah,
stay
I
there.
told him, and he's like, that's. It's like she says she has me on camera, but I never. I was like, they have the right to refuse service, man. So, then that'll be for her. And then.
Yeah, and there was a lady right before them too that we had to kick out. I'm
Okay.
like, really tonight?
Oh, I know. Yeah, so they do come back. Just call us back and don't try to confront them. Just let them. If they're here, don't confront them. Just let them come in. Give us a call. Be like, hey, this guy has a CTW. He's already in here. We'll come out. We'll get him.
Okay.
That way you don't have to put yourself in any danger.
Yeah.
And
Well, they're usually like spotters that walk in, and we're usually the ones that recognize, you know, the regular stealers.
Yeah.
But sometimes they think they can get away with it.
Oh, yeah.
And it's just crazy.
okay. All right.
Thank you.
No problem.
Let's
do
go.
anything. You
Go get the
never
street
had a
address.
trespassing fucking violation on the dollar store in the first place.
And then scroll up.
You have to let me go.
I don't have to do anything. Just sit back there and be quiet, please. Hit the...
You have
No, to the very right. Scroll all the way up to the very top of the screen.
I
There you go.
haven't done anything.
South Mesa Street. I know what. Let's go.
Carlsbad, yeah, New Mexico, all that stuff.
I haven't done anything.
88220.
220.
Duration would be 2 because it's 12 months. It's gonna be good for a year.
I haven't done it.
No, go down to 12. There you go.
You
And then
cannot
hit the
arrest me.
and you also can't tell me how to do my job. So hit that box and Hey Estella, listen to me. I want you to listen, okay? So Estella, I'm gonna ask you to step out of my patrol car, please, okay? That way we can get you your flip-flops on. And we're gonna walk around this way and then we're gonna go to the CMC doors, okay? Hey Coyle, just go get that door open right there in front of us. No, go ahead. You sit in the chair directly to your right here. Right here. They're just gonna ask you for your name and who you are and things like that, okay? That way they can get your paperwork.
Going to jail for fucking nothing.
Well, I tried to explain that to you, Estella, and you wouldn't allow me to explain it to you.
Just because I refused, it doesn't mean you can still put me in handcuffs.
Well,
when I said that I
listen to me,
refused,
listen to
you
me.
could just went to your car.
Listen to me for just a second. Listen to me for just a second. I gave you a command to go
Well,
to my
I
patrol
said
car,
I
and I had a
refused.
lawful reason to take you to my
For
patrol
what
car.
lawful reason? They
Because I
had no
needed-
proof, no evidence, and that I've never even had a trespassing there.
Nobody said
I
that you
walked
did.
in and she
Estella,
said, well, if you're with him to walk out, and I did.
Listen, that's not.
So other than that, I was just standing
That's
and
not-
also waiting for him to get me food from Albertsons.
Listen, that's not. You're not.
It's not my
understanding. You
fucking
don't
fault.
understand.
Guilty by association isn't a fucking
That's
thing.
not what this is.
Well, then what is it? Because other than that, you have a right.
I already
Like
explained it to you. I
none
already
whatsoever.
explained it to you. Okay. Well, I
None.
already
Because
explained
I've
it to you.
never had a
I
trespassing
never
at the
said you
dollar
did.
store.
I never said you did.
Then why? Because I refused to sign your fucking paperwork?
No.
Because you didn't make any fucking paperwork? Because I refused to listen to you to tell me?
Because you refused to follow my command.
And what was your command? To go to your fucking car? And I said, no, I'm not going to go to your car.
And that's why you went in handcuffs, and that's why you're coming to jail.
That's not a legitimate fucking reason.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. You can read up on the laws a little bit, okay? Because it is a lawful
I'm
reason.
not doing any medical service here.
That's
So
okay.
you can go ahead and take me to jail.
You can refuse it all you want. They're still going to come and ask you questions.
I'm not
And
gonna,
even
I'm
if
not
you-
doing it.
That's fine.
I'm not
That's
doing
fine.
it.
That's fine. You don't
Like,
have
I'm
to.
seriously not fucking doing it. I swear on this baby's life. This kid while you guys fucking tase me the
Nobody tased
getting
you.
the out of here. I'm walking the
No, right now you're not.
Yes, the I am.
No,
Other than that, you guys are gonna have to tase me till I fucking drop and lose this fucking shit. I swear to God. I put that on everything I I'm sick of fucking tired.
Sit down.
Leave me alone.
Sit down.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I have no reason to be in handcuffs. I just want to be left alone
Sit down.
by you guys and everybody else. I just want to be left alone.
Just look right there.
I don't need your help. I didn't even need your help then. Just leave
We
me
just need a medical
alone.
clearance for jail.
Yeah, just no concerns.
Just leave me alone. No. I just want to be left alone. You guys had no right.
Sit down. Sit down.
No.
Sit down.
I just want to go.
Sit down. Sit down.
Estella
Leave
Ramsey.
me alone.
I'm not sure.
I don't have it on me.
Leave me alone.
Estella Ramsey.
You have no legal right.
She's not gonna talk.
You guys have none. Hey, let me go. Leave me alone. You guys have no legal right whatsoever. Stop. Leave me alone. Come on, you guys literally have no legal right.
Just sit down.
I haven't done nothing.
Just hold her right there. Just hold her right there.
You have no legal right. Leave
Tell
me
you what,
alone.
Hobby, if you can, go get a wheelchair because we're gonna end up having to drag her out if we don't have a wheelchair.
Leave me alone. I haven't done nothing.
I'm sorry. Just a medical clearance for detention.
No.
Keep her right there. let's lock these wheels up. Alright, Stella, we're gonna move you to this wheel. Okay. She gets another time.
Unlock the wheels and I can roll her back.
You guys have no legal
Just roll it back, just roll it back, just hold on to it, hold on to it. Where are you taking her? Okay. There we go. Yeah, you're good. There we go. Watch your legs. All right.
She was charged with resisting with violence and obstruction.